How to check how long your server is up in Blox Fruits. For this, go ahead and open up a preferred browser in your PC, and in the search bar search for roblox.com. In here, make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Now once you are logged in, search for your Blox Fruit, and to check how long have you been in the server, all you have to do is simply press the / key on your keyboard, or you can even go ahead and tap on the Shift and the F9 key. However, the / key is much more relevant, so go ahead and tap on either of the key. Then right here you will find this chat tab right here, and at the bottom you should find this chat dialog box type of layout, in which you have to go ahead and search for /console. You can even search for /timestamp, however it will not show the accurate time. So for that, go ahead and search for /console. At the side you will see all of this timestamp, and those timestamp display how long have you been in the server in your Blox Fruit. And that is all as well. Make sure to go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to us. Thank you so much for tuning in.